Welcome back to Design Guy. Curious how to make an eye-catching split-screen animation in Canva? I'll show you how. Click Create, then select Videos. Choose a landscape video template. Next, add elements by clicking the Add button. Customize your video by arranging text, images, or shapes as needed. This sets up your project for further editing and enhancement. You can add images by selecting the Photographics category. Then, search for backgrounds or natural scenes to enhance your project with visually appealing elements. This helps create a cohesive and attractive design quickly and easily. Next, click to add a new page and select the blog template. Name the page Blog to organize your content. This sets up your site for easy posting and management of blog articles and updates. Click Background to customize your video's appearance with colors, images, or styles. Here is our background image. To divide it evenly, select the Slice tool and position it at the center. Click to create a slice that splits the background into two equal parts. This allows you to edit or export each half separately for precise design control. Press Ctrl+D on your keyboard to duplicate the selected item. This creates an exact copy quickly, allowing you to edit or move the duplicate independently without affecting the original element. Match this shape with the previous one. Change its color to blue. Next, align them by stopping the middle element so everything is perfectly centered and visually consistent. We have two images here. Start on the first page, then select both images. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate them. This creates copies so you can work with multiple instances. Use duplication to speed up your design process and maintain consistency across your project pages. On the second page, start by aligning the first line on this side with the corresponding elements on the opposite side. Carefully adjust its position to ensure proper alignment with the related problems or items nearby. Check that the spacing and placement look consistent and balanced. Next, review the surrounding content to confirm everything matches and flows seamlessly. Make any necessary fine-tuning adjustments for clarity and visual cohesion. This precise alignment ensures the page appears organized and professional. Proceed methodically, verifying each section before moving on to the next part of the page layout. To move the second page, hold the Shift key while dragging it. This ensures precise placement. Select the page by clicking and drag it while holding Shift to keep alignment consistent. Repeat the same for the other page if needed. Using Shift helps maintain order when rearranging pages efficiently. Drag the object to the right while holding the Shift key to constrain its movement for easier alignment. Once positioned, release the mouse button and the Shift key. Next, proceed by adding the next element as needed. This method ensures precise placement and smooth workflow during your editing process. Continue adjusting to fit your design requirements accurately. Press Ctrl+D and drag to duplicate. Add a third page by repeating this step, then arrange all three pages neatly. Ensure consistent spacing and alignment for a clean, professional layout. Next, add matching moves and apply transitions between all scenes. Then, play the video with the sound clip to review synchronization. Ensure smooth flow and timing before finalizing the project. This step helps verify that the audio and visuals align perfectly for a polished result. To split the screen, first open your desired applications. Next, drag one window to the left edge until it snaps. Then drag the second window to the right edge to snap it there. Adjust each window size to align them evenly. This allows you to view and work on both windows side by side efficiently. Splitting and aligning screens enhances multitasking and productivity. Sorry, the provided transcription is insufficient to generate a complete 66-word script. Please provide more detailed content or instructions. Watch the preview again. Notice there are no lines now, and the layout is clean. You can also add another image by dragging and dropping it into the desired area. This makes it easy to customize your design quickly. Experiment with different images to see how they fit. The drag and drop feature streamlines editing, allowing seamless adjustments without complicated menus or settings. Use this image as the background by pressing Ctrl+D, then merge the layers. Next, open the Position menu. Select Layers and choose Send to Back. This ensures the background image stays behind all other elements and remains visible throughout your design. By organizing your layers this way, your background will not be hidden accidentally, allowing your content to appear clearly on top for better visual impact and presentation. Place the item in this cage. Next, extend the light and position it in the last cage. Ensure the light fully reaches the designated area for optimal effect. Let's review the process again to ensure understanding before moving forward. Watch closely as we repeat the steps, highlighting key actions and important details for a clearer understanding. This review will help reinforce the procedure and improve your skills. Let's begin. To create a matching move split screen in camera, apply the location settings from your program clip to the duplicate. Adjust the positions to align the movements perfectly. This creates a seamless split screen effect. Now, watch the preview to ensure the matching motions sync smoothly within your composition. Click the Share button, then choose Download. Increase the quality settings to your preference before clicking Download again to save the file in higher resolution on your device. Now you know how to create an animated split screen in Canva-like, and subscribe for more cool design tips.